Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by opening Canva and creating a new design sized for cards. Think 3x5 inches or a preset flashcard template. Collect your content first: terms, concise definitions, and one clear image per card. Once done, set global styles, one font pair and two brand colors so every card matches. Click the first blank card, enable rulers and grids to align elements, and save a master card that you will duplicate. This immediate setup saves time and prevents layout drift as you build the deck. Now you populate cards methodically. Duplicate your master card for every new term so spacing and alignment stay consistent. Place the term prominently, then add a second page or flip card for the definition. This enforces active recall. Use text hierarchy, large bold term, smaller pronunciation or hint, and limit visuals to one relevant image to avoid clutter. Make use of groups and align tools that ensures spacing is identical across cards. As you work, preview and presentation mode to check legibility and pacing. Finish by exporting your deck correctly. Choose PDF print with bleed and crop marks if you plan to cut cards, or PNG/JPEG for digital use. Before a full print run, print one test sheet to confirm margins, alignment, and that fonts remain readable at physical size. If something goes wrong, elements misalign or bleed, fix the master card, use the position and snap features, then reapply duplicates and export again. Once satisfied, print or share. You now have a consistent, study-ready flashcard set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.